Hello everyone and welcome to Gastonauts Kitchen. We are excited to share an array of recipes we've picked up from across the globe. Having spent over a decade living and traveling on our catamaran, we've journeyed through various regions and amassed a treasure trove of culinary gems. If you are a fan of diverse and innovative cooking, you are in a perfect spot. Today we've got an amazing recipe for you, Anticuchos de Corazon, a traditional Peruvian dish, beef hearts kebab. Watch this video to the end for the recipe of our own special sauce that goes perfectly with anticuchos. Let's start with the marinade. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of ají panca, which adds a nice smoky flavor, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for some acidity. Ají panca is a red pepper. It has a berry-like fruity flavor and an aromatic smoky taste with a mild lingering heat. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1½ teaspoons of oregano and 1½ teaspoons of cumin, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, either pressed or finely chopped. And 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together until well combined. Don't worry if you've never cooked with beef heart before. It's flavorful and tender when prepared right. We'll need 1 kilogram or a little over 2 pounds of beef heart. Clean it by trimming off any excess fat and removing the blood vessels. Then cut it into 2 by 2 inch pieces. We get it clean and recommend that you ask for cleaning to be done at the place where you buy the heart. See if they can also cut it for you there. Add these pieces to your marinade and make sure they're all evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. But for the best result, leave it overnight. This allows all the wonderful flavors to soak in. When you're ready to cook, take the marinated meat out of the fridge about an hour before to bring it to room temperature. Preheat your grill and thread the pieces of heart onto skewers. Here, try to select pieces of similar thickness for each skewer. This way, you can ensure all the pieces are equally cooked. Grill the skewers, turning once or twice until the meat is nicely caramelized. Serve your delicious anticuchos hot off the grill, drizzled with our special ají amarillo sauce. Ají Amarillo, which stands for yellow pepper, is much hotter than ají panca. Let's prepare a special sauce to go with our anticuchos. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of miso paste, 2 tablespoons of ají amarillo for a bit of heat, one tablespoon of honey for sweetness. Let's get it all in there. And mix all the thick ingredients well to blend them together before we add anything more liquidy. One tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Mix it all together until smooth. And 1 to 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro and spring onion. The sauce is packed with flavor and perfectly complements the grilled meat. And for a perfect side, don't forget to check out our healthy and delicious quinoa kale salad recipe on our channel next week. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time!